We'll guide you through how to export your project from CapCut effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and ensure your project is ready to go. Once you're satisfied with your edits and everything looks perfect, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the e-export button. Click on it, and a new window will pop up giving you various export options. Here, you can choose the video resolution, which typically ranges from 720p to 4K, depending on your project's needs. It's usually a good idea to select a higher resolution if you want the best quality output. After that, you can check the frame rate. If you're unsure, 30 frames per second is a solid choice for most projects. Now, let's move on to the file format. MP4 is the most widely used format and works great for most purposes, so go ahead and select that. Next, you can choose a location on your computer where you want the file to be saved. Make sure to pick a folder you'll easily remember, so you don't have to go hunting for it later. Finally, you might notice a few more export settings like bitrate and audio quality. Unless you have specific requirements, the default settings are generally fine. Once you've set everything, click the e-export button at the bottom of the window and let CapCut do its magic. The export time will depend on the length and complexity of your project, so be patient. And there you have it. Your video is now exported and ready to be shared. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.